How y'all doing? This is Will with Best Choice Roofing. I'm on Mr. John Merritt's roof. We're going to do a repairability test on this shingle right here. The damaged shingles are up there from the storm. I'll show y'all where it's at. And as we know of, since it is a ridge, our hip ridge, we have to replace a whole slope if it's not repairable, because the underlayment under the hips, and I'll show you all that after I'm done doing repair attempt on these shingles. And all these shingles are the same. Have no repairs done on them. So let's get started. First, we're going to start up by loosening up the shingle. It's very brittle. The mat transfer is terrible. The mat transfer is terrible on this roof, you guys. This ain't coming off without ripping it, you guys. There we go. Got it loosened. A lot of mat transfer. A lot of mat transfer on this roof, you guys. Oh man. Zoom out a little bit, you guys. There goes my wrist. Dang. There we go. That's a better view. There we go. Yeah, we don't have to get right here. Alright, here we go, you guys. There we got Lucy shingled up. Let's get the roof snake, see if we can get the nails out. See if we can loosen this up a little bit. Yeah, the mat transfer on this roof is terrible, you guys, as you can see. I mean, this is terrible. this up a little bit. All right, now we're gonna start loosening up the nails. Let's grab the root snake. Here we go. See if I can see under there real quick. There we go. Got one. There we go. Yeah. Probably a better view. That's pretty good. All right. Let's see if we can see the nails from under here. All right, as you can see, I am gently lifting it, and it is tearing. You know, right there, tearing. You have to lift under to see it. There we go. I can see it. Barely see it. Can't still see it. Let's see if I can. It is tearing. I mean, all right, got another nail out, you guys. It's tearing. I'm trying to lift up his nails. Need to loosen it up a little bit more. ripping as I'm trying to lift up. I don't know if you can see. Let me show you guys a little bit.